Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A spacious, open-plan living area, bathed in natural light. High, vaulted ceilings with skylights and a multi-level design, showcasing a mix of indoor and outdoor spaces. Numerous potted tropical plants of varying types, palm trees, ficus, etc., are strategically placed throughout the room, evoking a lush, tropical ambience. Light beige and cream-colored furniture, a sectional couch with light beige/cream upholstery, a light brown wooden coffee table and wooden storage unit. The flooring is a light beige/cream carpet. Exposed light beige/gray stone walls and wood accents create a natural warmth. A spacious, airy living room with high ceilings, showcasing a lush tropical indoor garden. Large, vibrant palm trees and various leafy plants fill the space, creating a lively, green backdrop. The room is bright and well lit through large windows that reveal a beautiful outdoor garden or landscape beyond. The color palette is predominantly warm beige, cream, and light brown, with accents of deep green from the foliage. The furniture is minimalist and comfortable, with a large cream-colored sectional sofa, arranged around a light brown wooden coffee table. The coffee table is intricately designed, resembling a stacked bamboo structure. A spacious, bright living room, featuring a large cream-colored sectional sofa and matching armchairs with wooden frames. The furniture is accented with warm orange throw pillows. A large, natural wood coffee table sits in the center of the room, on a beige, textured rug. A beautiful, woven wicker pendant lamp hangs above the seating area. Large, full-leaf tropical plants are positioned near the sliding wooden doors. The doors open to an outdoor patio area filled with lush green plants, palm trees, and a stone-paved courtyard. The interior walls are a light beige, creating a warm and serene atmosphere. A spacious, sun-drenched outdoor patio or indoor conservatory. A light beige, concrete or stucco wall forms the backdrop, accented by the dappled sunlight filtering through. A beige sectional sofa with cream-colored cushions sits amidst a lush array of tropical plants, including various palms and a large banana plant. The plants are vibrant green, filling the space with life and creating depth. The sofa has a light brown wooden frame, and wicker baskets in a light tan color are scattered around, holding plants and placed as decorative elements. Round, woven wicker footstools are situated near the sofa. A hanging, hand-woven light fixture is suspended, adding a bohemian touch. A spacious, modern living room with high ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a lush, tropical garden. Light beige/cream-colored furniture, a large sectional sofa, and wooden coffee table, set on a light beige/brown rug. The flooring is glossy, light cream-colored stone or tile. The image features large, glass doors and windows that provide an unobstructed view of the greenery outside, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The colors are bright, airy, and evoke a sense of calm and tranquility, with plenty of natural light streaming in. Large green foliage plants are visible both inside and outside the windows. A spacious, modern living room with high ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows showcasing a lush, tropical garden. Light beige/cream colored furniture, a large sectional sofa, and wooden coffee table, set on a light beige/brown rug. The flooring is glossy, light cream-colored stone or tile. The image features large, glass doors and windows that provide an unobstructed view of the greenery outside, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The colors are bright, airy, and evoke a sense of calm and tranquility, with plenty of natural light streaming in. Large green foliage plants are visible both inside and outside the windows. A bright and airy living room with a bohemian aesthetic. The room is filled with lush, vibrant tropical plants of various types, including large leaves that fill the space. Large windows offer a view of a green, tropical garden outside. The beige sectional sofa is comfortable and inviting, and a round wooden coffee table sits in the center of the room. A colorful patterned rug covers the wooden floor. A woven, natural-toned basket sits by the sofa. A woven hanging decoration of a natural beige or tan color hangs on the wall, and other elements similar in tone are present. The lighting is warm and inviting, casting soft shadows. The concrete walls have a slightly distressed, rough texture. A spacious, light-filled living area with a tropical garden view. Open concept, high ceilings, showcasing a modern minimalist style with warm earthy tones. Natural light streams through large sliding glass doors revealing a lush garden with various tropical plants, including palm trees, ferns, and vibrant flowers. The interior features a light beige/cream color palette for walls and furniture, contrasted by warm tans and oranges in the cushions and decorative elements. Noticeable elements include a light-colored sectional sofa with patterned throw pillows, a wicker/rattan armchair, and a rustic wooden coffee table. A spacious, bright living area with floor-to-ceiling glass windows showcasing a lush, tropical garden. Large, leafy plants, including palm trees and ferns, fill the space and are reflected in the glass, creating a vibrant natural aesthetic. A light brown sectional sofa, with matching coffee tables on a light beige woven rug is positioned to maximize the view and enjoy the natural light. The interior walls include a warm wood paneling on one wall, creating a contrast with the natural tones. The overall atmosphere is one of serenity and natural beauty, achieved through thoughtful use of natural textures and colors. A large, open-plan living space with a central courtyard garden. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors frame the lush greenery of the courtyard. Banana plants, palm trees, and other tropical foliage fill the space. Rich, muted earth tones dominate, terracotta/peach walls, warm browns, and beiges in the furnishings. The architecture is modern with exposed, dark brown metal beams and supports. Natural light streams in through the windows, illuminating the plants and the space. The furniture is simple yet elegant, a a light beige couch, a woven chair, and a large wooden coffee table. A built-in kitchen/bar area is visible through the garden. A spacious, modern living room with large windows showcasing a lush, tropical garden. Hyper-realistic rendering. Beige sectional sofa with orange and dark gray throw pillows sits in front of the windows. The floor is a concrete-like gray, with a patterned rug in terracotta, brown, and beige hues. Two small, black metal coffee tables are visible. The windows are large, multi-paned, and framed with dark gray metal. The wall is a light gray concrete. Numerous vibrant green tropical plants, including banana leaves, palms, and succulents, fill the windows and extend into the room. The plants are detailed and realistic. A warm, ambient, natural light fills the space. A spacious, modern open-plan living area with a high ceiling and large windows. The scene is impressionistic, with a focus on the overall ambience and mood. Light beige and cream tones dominate the color palette, complemented by orange and earthy tones in decorative elements like throw pillows and a vibrant flower arrangement. The space features a large sectional sofa with neutral-colored upholstery, a glass coffee table, and a stylish rug. Large windows offer a view of lush tropical greenery outdoors. The architecture includes exposed natural stone walls, a wooden kitchen area, a glass-railed staircase, and a second-floor balcony. A spacious, light-filled living room. Impressionistic, yet with photorealistic detail. Large windows with French doors open to a lush garden, letting in natural light. Creamy off-white sofas with light beige and blue patterned throw pillows, accented with wicker and textured elements. Natural wood coffee table with metal accents. Various houseplants, including large leafy plants and palm trees, provide a tropical vibe. White walls and trim, simple and airy. White table lamps with light beige cream shades are strategically placed. A small, dark blue side table with a decorative item on top. A neutral framed mirror on the wall.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design Channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.